So it's taking so long to do the repairs that the pool's turning green.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, you know what? Put another spot next to the top. Make another spot that'll stick right away, and then we'll line up your holes again. Pull that out a bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure it's lined up.
What is it?
Now that hole's lined up. What about the other one?
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter yet.
Okay, then we have to work on the opposite end now to make sure they're lining up. Don't just go around because if it's off, it's off.
Yeah.
To work on the opposite end. So you have to pull the bottom out after that's stuck. How long are you gonna hold that